We bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
Blizzard. Blizzard doesn't have a published refund policy for its online store, but you can try contacting customer support if you want a refund. Refund game purchase is one of the options you can select on Blizzard's support site. Of course, you'll have much better luck if you purchased the game recently.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.